If you ever wanted to make custom cups but felt overwhelmed by epoxy, vinyl, or expensive machines, this might be the easiest method you'll ever try. Hey you, my name is Kwanda and welcome back to TG Customs. I make custom apparel, but since this is my first time using UV DTF, I thought I'd bring you along and show you exactly how I apply it on a real custom order. UV DTF is a printed sticker, so once it's applied, it's basically permanent on hard surfaces like tumblers, glass, acrylic, and so much more. You don't need a heat press, and you don't need epoxy, and you don't need hours of curing time. That alone makes it super appealing, especially for beginners. The biggest tip I can give you here is to take your time lining it up, because once it sticks, it sticks. My first mistake was rushing, but once I slowed down, my results look way more professional. Teacher gifts or any gifts need to look thoughtful, but still be affordable. And UV DTF makes that really easy. Guys, remember to take the barcode off of your sticker before applying it to your product. Yeah, I messed that up. Here's another barcode. Remember to cut off, not barcode. Remember to cut off extra wording that you don't need on your design, please.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am.
I'm in the middle of doing these cups and I just got a thought. Let me see if my kids can do it. So I already put the sticker on all the cups, but you have to take the transfer tape from on top of it. So let's see if they're able to pull it off. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But one time I need my fingernails to be long.
Okay.
First one.
I didn't give you the first one. You got it? Don't drop it.
Don't want it to
There you go.
fly up my hand.
Good job. One down, one to go. Better not let these cup fly, Jen. I don't have no replacement cups. There you go. Was that easy?
No, but not hard either.
All right. They said it was easy, so let's continue.
Every day, always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feel like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know.
If you've been scared to start making custom cups, DTF is honestly one of the least intimidating ways to begin. And here is the finished product. So if this video was helpful to you, go ahead and give it a like. Comment if you want to see a full step-by-step tutorial, and subscribe to catch all of my future videos. Thanks for watching. You'll catch me in the next one. Peace.
Cause I know I got life so I can't fight. And I know say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance.